Today I'm going to show you how to mount a headrest onto the Travel Buggy City 2 Plus. The parts list comes with a headrest, you've got a mounting bracket, 2 extensions, you'll have 2 brackets that mount onto the chair as well as supports. It comes with 3 screws and then 2 more locking pins as well as an Allen wrench that should fit the Allen portion of installing this headrest. So I'm going to start by assembling the mounting bracket. So this is our mounting bracket along with the parts that we're going to need to assemble the bracket. The mounting bracket sits like this on the chair. This is the outside, and then your chair will be on this side. These little screw holes will be facing outward, and then you want the top or the middle screw hole up top. So we're going to start by actually adding our screws. You don't want to fully tighten them because we're going to do that in a second. As I drop one. Now we're going to add our bracket extensions. They look like this and they have a hole on both sides. You want the hole to face the bottom, so it would go this way. Then I'm going to go ahead and tighten it for now, just so it doesn't fall out. From here, we have our bracket supports. They also have a hole that will coincide with this one, and they are going to go this direction. Then with our mounting pins, once these holes are lined up, you're going to stick the pin through. Then same thing on the other side. So this is what our mounting bracket looks like. Next step is to get our bracket assembly fasteners. They look like this. There is a larger side and a smaller side. The larger side is going to attach onto the chair. The smaller side is going to go into those hooks we installed earlier. You are also given an Allen wrench to loosen this up. So we're going to loosen these screws because it won't fit on as is. We're going to loosen it until it will actually go on the chair. Okay? And now when we mount this, like I said, the larger side goes towards the chair. You're also going to want these screws to stick out to the side, not inside. It'll be easier to get to them that way. And then they mount on the vertical part of the chair. So we might have to push down just a little bit on the back cushion, but that's going to mount like this. Once it's in, we can go ahead and tighten it up. At least so it's secure. We're probably going to have to loosen it again a little bit to get the other hooks in, but at least we have it where we want it. You'll do the same thing on the other side. So now I've got both brackets installed. I'm going to grab this main support bracket here, and like I said, we would have to change these. You can see it's not going to line up exactly. All you got to do is just loosen this a little bit, and you can slide these to where they will fit. That looks pretty lined up. I'm going to slightly tighten them just so they don't fall out on me. So now we're going to have to loosen these just a little bit so we can drop this in. I'm going to try and hold it in place while I do this. Just barely not loose enough. There we go. I'm going to tighten this one. So now I've got one side mounted. I'm going to do the other side. Again, I'm going to just kind of hold on to it and then loosen it until this bracket goes in. There we go. I'll go ahead and tighten it again. Then once it's tight, go ahead and flip the Allen around to this side and you can really tighten it down. Make sure it's not going anywhere. Same thing on the other side. And finally, we have the headrest that we're going to install in here. You'll notice it is adjustable in a bunch of different angles, and you have these big screws to tighten it. So essentially, I'm going to show you this while it's off because it's going to sit that way. But with these screws, you can tighten. Then if you lift them up and spin back, you can retighten again. So you don't have to make a full 360 with the screw to actually tighten it in. You can just go a little bit, pick them up, tighten it again, pick them up, tighten it again. You just have to pull out and then spin it back. So now I'm going to mount it in here up to about the height that I want. I'm going to just go right here, tighten this. So I want the headrest to sit about there. We're just going to start tightening these. There we go, and the final one. We're almost there. There we go. So now we have the headrest mounted. This has been how to mount a headrest on the Travel Buggy City 2 Plus. If you like this video or you like this product, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, and thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.